Hi, it's Scuba Kitty. I'm a bit under the weather, so please excuse my voice, but I was going to do my jacket versus back inflate BC video as well as straw video this week, but I decided to postpone that because of Hurricane Dorian. So just, if you live in Florida, stay safe, take care of your animals, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and after the hurricane, we're probably going to have to do some cleanups because it's going to stir up some stuff. So remember, stay safe. Bye.